Yeah.
But I did not know.
Ish.
And I killed him. I killed him. I killed the best. Awabona ukuthi ibongo zabo ne-dignity yabo and everything yabo comes first before God, before the fear of the Lord. By the way, you know, after abortion, I'm second born, I'm Yashon. Because iwumbu yami manje ya inherita the spirit of death. So ngangihamba, but I was the carrier spirit sokufa. Psalms 128. Ngake ngaye emshadweni womntanami. Ngangihleli njengo-auntie omele ukudobha amabhodlela lapha ngaphandle.
Sure.
Ngihleli yabona labo auntie abadobha lamabhodlela.
Yeah.
Bathi na yindlu yakhe, ngathi indlu yakhe le, yinhle. Ngathi ngisuka ngithi ngifuna ukuyela toilet, but alikho toilet mama. Mthatheni umama makaye lapha. Uzoshiya imfena yakhe la. Because isaziwa kabi. Sikhulisa abantwana, kunzima ukukhulisa umntwana. Akhethe umfazi akutshela ukuthi akakufuni.